On the front label, you will find information on the endoscope distal end outer diameter, the working channel inner diameter, in millimeters, and in French. On the back side of the pouch, you'll find the back label, with the maximum outer diameter of the distal end and the minimum inner diameter of the working channel. On the back side, you will also find a quick guide featuring the pre-procedural, procedural, and post-procedural steps. Check that the pouch seal is intact and discard the aScope Gastro if the sterile seal has been damaged. Carefully peel off the peel pouch package of the aScope Gastro and remove the protective elements from the handle and the distal end. Remove the spare suction valve from the mounting cart as well as the endoscope.